Hello students. So today I will be starting with you all with the civics chapter 1 from the NCERT, that is the chapter equality. Myself Priyanka Sanyal from TIGPS Siliguri. So let us start with the chapter equality. So basically, what is equality? So when I tell the word equality, what comes to your mind? So what is the definition or the proper term to define equality? Equality is a condition in which adequate opportunities are given to all equally. Now basically equality is the equal opportunities which is given. Now what equal opportunities? In our country India, we basically find that equality does not prevail in all perspective. If you find in religion, there is lots of variety of religions. If you find in caste, there is lots of variety of caste. So if you find in your means gender, sex, or all types of communities, there is lots of variations, and therefore their equal opportunities are also not given. So in which term we get the equality? Where the person is treated equally. Yes, that is the equal right to vote. Now, here you can see the picture that the vote is given by the people, and it is given in very equal term. Be it be rich or poor, there is no differentiation. Everyone, every citizen of India, every citizen in a democratic country has the equal opportunity to give vote, which is the right to vote. Therefore, in a democratic country like India, adults, irrespective of their religion, caste, education, status, or place of birth, where place of birth, in whichever place you are, you take birth. I am talking about in India, or whichever religion you belong to, or whichever caste you belong to, you are given the right to vote, and are given right to vote under universal adult franchise. Now, yes, mark the word universal adult franchise. Now, let us know what is universal adult franchise. So, basically, the universal adult franchise refers to all citizens who are 18 years and above, irrespective of their caste or education, religion, color, race, and economic conditions, are free to vote. In a democracy country, universal adult franchise is important as it is based on the idea of equality. Now, basically, in universal adult franchise, what happens if the person is in from 18 years or above, he or she has the right to vote. So what I said before also, whichever caste you belong, whichever community you belong, whichever religion you belong, if you are 18 years of above, you are given right to vote. So that's all for today's video. So we have discussed about what is equality and with what equal right which we have been given, that is equal right to vote, and what is universal adult franchise. So that's all for today's introduction class. Thank you all to watch the video. We'll meet you in the next video.